Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna review the Amazon rubber door sill protectors, guards plate, entry guard kit for the Jeep TJ, guys. They make lots of claims here that they protect your door sill. Well, in this video, we're gonna install them on my Jeep and review them. Let's see how they look and how they work, guys. Let's get into this video right away, everybody. Okay guys, so here they are. So far I think they look really good, honestly. I've bought something like this for my BMW before and the tape was horrible, and I gotta tell you, this tape actually looks really good. Looks like it's good quality tape. So I'm gonna peel the red off, and obviously I am putting those there because I just painted my Jeep, as you can see. And I don't want the kids, when they're getting in and out, to scratch it. So, okay, I'm gonna stick it on. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll drive around for a few weeks and then we're gonna review guys. See if they hold up. All right, check it out, guys. That looks awesome. I really like that. And honestly, the tape seems to be working really good. I can't see that going anywhere. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna fast forward this video by about 2-3 weeks. And I mean, as long as it doesn't unglue or something, these are awesome, guys. Check it out. The door closes nicely. It's absolutely what I wanted. So yeah, if you're interested in floor mats, if you're interested in these wheels or these tires, or possibly converting your front fenders to look like that, paint job, you name it, guys, hit on the playlist. In the description of this video, there will be a playlist to the entire restoration of this Jeep, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few weeks. All right, guys, here we are a month later. Check it out. I am ultra happy with these. This is exactly what I wanted, guys. Not one scratch on my paint. It looks so good. The door closes good. The rubber's there. Nothing interferes. Not coming off. Staying on good. I taught my kids to step on this when they get in and out on the other side, and no issues, guys. So I am gonna give these a 10 out of 10 review, guys. And remember, guys, if you want your Jeep looking like this, click on the playlist for all the mods and accessories.